Good morning, students. Today we will continue our chapter number 2. Okay? So now I will just give you a brief summary of what we have read yesterday. See, what we have read yesterday, we have read the story of Vaz, whose name was Tangrene, who was a pet to Dr. Doctile. Okay? Now, Tangrene narrated many stories about the insect world. Today we are reading the story of how he won the battle of Bankaluru. Bankaluru was a battlefield which was situated in the valley between the hills. It was covered with vineyards and olive groves. Right, children? Yes. There were many wasp nests in that area, but whenever there was a fight, whenever there was a war, which always happened in a year or a two, the nests of the wasp gets destroyed, and that's why the wasp does not like the war. Okay, I hope you understood yesterday's story. Now we will read it further. एक दिन क्या हुआ था जब उसके कोई बड़े रिलेटिव ने, उसके ओल्डर रिलेटिव ने टैंगरीन को आके बताया कि फिर से बेंगलुरु में वॉर होने वाली है. देन व्हाट डिड द टैंगरीन थॉट? ही वांटेड टू स्टॉप दैट, बट ही वाज टू यंग टू डू दैट. ही वाज नॉट एबल टू फाइंड द वे टू डू दैट. Okay, yesterday we have read till the first paragraph of the second page. Now we will read it further. About the center of the valley, one of the hills, was a man on horseback who seemed to be of highly important individual. Messengers were arriving and departing all the time, bringing him news from every quarter. I decided that this must be the famous General Blowhardy himself. Now, about these names, I am not very certain. These were the names which we, Waps, gave. We called him Blowhardy because he was blowing so hard that his long red moustache, which puffed out before him when he spoke. General Blowhardy was the field marshal of the Bombasterian army. These enemies were the Cemeterians, but again, these also may not be the regular names. What does this paragraph say? See, जब वहाँ पे लड़ाई हो रही थी, तो जब उसके किसी बड़े रिलेटिव ने टैंगरीन को आके बताया, मतलब बाकी सारे वेब्स को बताया कि आज फिर से बैटलफील्ड में वॉर होने वाली है, तो व्हाट डिड द टैंगरीन डू? ही रैन टू द बैटलफील्ड टू फाइंड आउट अ वे टू स्टॉप द वॉर. ओके, when he went there, what did he see? The Tangerine saw there was a man that was highly important individual. जो इम्पॉर्टेंट पर्सन होता है ना, वो कभी लड़ने नहीं जाता. एज यू हैव सीन, जैसे राजा होते हैं जो वो सबसे पहले लड़ने नहीं जाते हैं, वो आखिरी में लड़ने जाते हैं. वो लोग वहाँ पे कहीं साइड में होते हैं. तो टैंगरीन जब ढूंढने गया तो ही सॉ दैट पर्सन, द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पर्सन. ओके, व्हेन ही सॉ दैट पर्सन वॉज गेटिंग द मैसेंजर्स. एक आ रहा था, दूसरा जा रहा था, एक आ रहा था, दूसरा जा रहा था. देयर वॉज मैसेंजर्स ब्रिंगिंग हिम एवरी न्यूज़. ओके, what did the Tangerine thought? This must be the famous General Blowhardy himself. These names, Blowhardy, Bombasterian, Cemeterians, these names are not the proper names. These names were given by the Waps. They used to call them with their own names. Blowhardy, why did they gave the name to the General Blowhardy? Because he was blowing. What he was blowing? He was blowing cannons, gunpowder. He was fighting and blowing things. That is why they gave him the name General Blowhardy. How was he? What was his physique? He was having a very long red moustache. What is moustache? hope you all know. It's the facial hairs of the boys, or what we called mooch. Okay. He was having a long mustache which was puffed out. What does this means? Puffed out, फूली हुई थी वो. ओके. पफ्ड आउट. जब भी वो बोलता था तो इसकी मुस्टैच इतनी बड़ी थी कि वो फूल जाती थी. ओके. जनरल ब्लोहार्डी वॉज द फील्ड मार्शल फॉर द बॉम्बेस्टेरियन आर्मी. ओके. उनके एनिमीज़ कौन थे? स्मिथेरियंस. ये दीज नेम्स आर नॉट द एक्चुअल नेम्स. दीज नेम्स आर names given by the VAPs. Okay, I hope you understood this paragraph. Now we will read the next paragraph. इस पैराग्राफ में उसने क्या बताया, उसने क्या क्या देखा वहाँ पे. एक मैन था, बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट था, उसके आसपास मैसेंजर्स आ रहे थे और जा रहे थे, और वो कैसा दिखता था वो बताया है. Now we will read the next para. I was clear that the general had come up to this high point so he could get a good view of the fight. Also, no doubt, because he wanted to stay in safe place himself. Evidently, from the way he kept blowing out his mustache, he expected a very fine battle, one of the messieurs. The general was on a hill because he wanted to have a good view of a whole fight. As अगर वो थोड़ा ऊपर से देखेगा तो उसको पूरा फाइट का व्यू अच्छे से दिखेगा. ओके. that's why he was on a high hill so that he can have a whole watch over the fight. Okay. And also he wanted to save himself because he was an important man. As you all know, the important man doesn't go to fight first. He always save himself for the last, and that is why he was on a safe place so that if anything happens if anything serious happens in the war, he can go and fight then. He was there on a hill. He kept blowing his mustache and giving orders. While speaking, he used to blow his mustache. Okay. He expected a very fine battle. Fine battle means बहुत अच्छी बैटल वो सोच रहा था. व्हाट डज अच्छी बैटल मीन्स फॉर देम? देन दैट दे विल विन, अदर माइट लूज. ओके. व्हेन दे विल लूज, दे विल हैव अ सीरियस इंजरीज फॉर द सोल्जर्स एंड ऑल. ओके. वन ऑफ द मेसिएस्ट किसके लिए था? वैस्प्स के लिए. और फाइन किसके लिए था? जनरल के लिए. ओके. नाउ वी विल डू द नेक्स्ट लाइन. I felt so furious as I watched him there, snapping out his pompous orders, that I was ready to do anything. Yet what could I do? I was such a tiny creature, a mere wasp. Presently there was a blow of bugle, followed by a roar of cannon. The battle had begun. Seeing the whole scenario, the Wasp was very uncomfortable. He wanted to do something badly, but the general was very furious about his fight, his battle. He continuously gave orders, and he could do anything to win. However, the Wasp could do anything to stop the war, but he was thinking what he could do. He is such a tiny creature, a mere wasp. When he was thinking all this, उधर से आवाज़ आई बगल की, कैनन की, जो चलने लगे. तो it showed that the battle had begun. Now we will do the next paragraph. Now the whole object of the Battle of Bankaluru was to gain possession of this valley. What either armies would do with the valley after they got it, I don't imagine either of them would know. To us, it did not matter at all which side won it, because they would both make a nasty mess in getting it. What we Waps wanted was to stop the battle. Okay, now what the Waps the Tangerine was thinking. जो battle of Bankaluru was going on, the whole battle was going for the possession of the valley. जिस वैली में वो बैटल हो रही थी वो वैली किसकी होगी, इस चीज़ की बैटल थी. ओके. वो कोई भी जीतता, जो कोई भी जो भी वैली जीतता उसे खुद को नहीं पता था कि वो उस वैली के संग में क्या करने वाले हैं, बट दे वॉन्टेड टू गेन इट. और इवन वैप्स के लिए भी इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं था कि कौन जीते, बिकॉज कोई भी उसको ठीक नहीं करने वाला था. दे जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू विन इट. दे डिड नॉट वॉन्ट टू हैव इट और डू समथिंग विद इट. ओके, सो वैप्स को कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता कि विच साइड वॉज गोइंग टू विन. ओके, द वैप्स just wanted to stop the battle. Now we will do the next paragraph. As I noticed the horse moved restlessly at the first roar of the cannon, an idea came to me. It would be no use going and stinging General Blohardy on the nose, though I would dearly have loved to do so. But if I sting his horse, I might possibly accomplish something. What idea did the Vaps, the Tangerine got? जब वहाँ पे वो roar of cannon चले, बगल चले, then he got an idea. When the cannon roared for the first time, the battle had begun. And जब वो आवाज़ आई, the horse became restless. How does he become restless? He was like moving here and there, something like that. Okay, he became restless जब आवाज़ आई कैनन की तो. And that moment idea came to the Tangerine. It would be of no use कि अगर वो जाके जनरल ब्लोहार्डी को काट ले on his nose. It would be of no use because General Blohardy would do something. He would have doctor. He would be okay after some time, and that will not stop the war. However, Tangerine would love to do so, but it did not make any sense to do it. But what if he sting his horse? His horse will become restless and go here and there, and that will make general go here and there, and that might stop the whole battle. That idea came to him. Okay, well, no sooner thought than done. जैसे ही उसके दिमाग में ये आइडिया आया, he did it. I hopped onto the horse behind the general and stung the poor fellow on the flank. जब उसको ये आइडिया आया, then at the same time he went to sting the general's horse, and he bit him behind the general on the backside of the horse. Okay, it was a dirty trick to play on the horse, and I wanted to apologize to him afterwards, but he was much too far away. जब उसने उसको स्टिंग किया, जब उसने उसको काटा टैंगरीन ने, तो इट वॉज अकॉर्डिंग टू टैंगरीन ऑल्सो इट वॉज अ वेरी डर्टी ट्रिक. उसको अच्छा नहीं लगा एंड ही वॉन्टेड टू अपोलोजाइज फॉर इट. बट जब उसने उसे काटा तो वो इतना रेस्टलेस हो गया कि वो वहाँ से भाग गया एंड बहुत दूर भाग गया. अब वो भाग गया तो उसके संग में जनरल भी भाग गया. ओके, नाउ लेट मी रीड द होल लास्ट पैराग्राफ अगेन फॉर यू. वेल, no sooner thought than done. I hopped onto the horse behind the general and stung the poor fellow on the flank. It was a dirty trick to play on the horse, and I wanted to apologize to him afterwards, but he was much too far away. Okay, children, today we have completed our page number 9. There is some part of the story still left for us to do. This much. This we will do tomorrow. Okay, thank you.